Hi bird, how are you today? It's a beautiful day today. You help me for having client? You help me? You help me to have client? Oh, you can hear me? You're such a beautiful bird I ever seen. You dancing? Dancing now? You dancing now for me? Can you try to sing? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Hello? Do you want to talk to me? You say hello. Hello, I miss you, bird. It's beautiful day today, bird. Yes? Do you help Sophia? Do you help Sophia? Okay, dance now. I want to show you dance. I want to see you good dancing. You go dancing for me. Huh? You're my hero, bird. I know you're lovely, bird. You dancing for me now? See, dance. 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 Okay, dancing for me. Dancing for me. Dancing for me. Dancing for me. Yes, dancing for me. Dance, 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 dance. Yeah, yes, dance, 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 dance for me. Dance, dance, dance for me. You wanna dance? You say hello. You say hello. Do you think we're busy today? You have to give more client today? Huh? Okay. You dancing? You help client today? You cool dancing? Coming client, you cool? Do you want a cool client? Ah! Do you want a cool client? Oh, bite, you bite. You bite me, you bite. Oh, you want dance? You want a cool client? You love the client? Yeah, you help the business? You want to help the business? Oh, you dance? You not dance? Okay, you not dance? Say hello, 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 hello. Dancing for me now. You dancing for me now? You wanna dancing for me now? Huh? Dancing? You wanna hear me? I touch your head. I wanna touch your head. Can I touch your head? Oh, bite. You wanna bite? Huh? I wanna bite? Okay. See you next time.